Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to edit videos using the Edit app, which is from Instagram. So let's jump right straight into this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this. So we launched the Edit app. Next, you might want to allow this or don't allow. So we're going to log in. We already logged in. You could also switch off. Okay, let's assume we log out. Let's just log out to make it more interesting. Okay, then I'm going to close the app and reopen it. Okay, so I'm logging in. Make sure you already have Instagram installed and you have an account logged in already. Okay, so I'm going to create a new project. So you click on new project after. So we select gallery. So we're just going to scroll up and find a video. Okay, so we're going to select one of these. So we're going to use this one, but let's preview. So in order for you to preview, you click and hold. So I'm going to click and hold now. I'm going to give you one big secret about Meta ads. It also relates to most of these platforms, TikTok and also Google. Okay, let's leave this one. Let's try something else. So this is just a reminder that we have a mobile ads course. All right, so this is the one I want to work on. So don't forget, if you want to preview, you click and hold, or you click then hold. So this is just a reminder that. So this is the one we want to edit. So I've selected it, then we'll click on good. You could also select multiple videos and also photos to edit all in one. But for this particular video, since it's your first one, focus on one video or two. So we've selected the one we want to work on. Then we click on good at the top right. We're going to start. Let's see how we could. I always like optimizing the audio from the start, so you don't have to do it independently. That is, you start after you've done all the cutting and joining, then you start optimizing the audio. I always like doing it, the first one. Okay, so the first thing is the video. The first thing is the audio. So we click on volume. Okay, this audio is okay. If the video were more than one, you'll be able to, once you click on apply volume to all clips, it's more like you're trying to equalize all the volume, keeping them at one level. Then you click on good. All right, so next is, let's look for noise, voice enhancement. Okay, so this voice enhancement. So this is just a reminder that we have a mobile ads course if you want to start running ads with just your mobile phone. And we also have a laptop version or a desktop version, so you can run. Okay, so what else can we do for the voice? We're not going to extract any audio. All right, so that's all. So let's start. So this is just a reminder that we have a mobile ads course if you want to start running ads with just your mobile phone. And we also have a laptop version or a desktop version, so you can run profitable ads on Facebook and Instagram. Okay, so the mobile phone gives you the ease. You could just launch your ad campaign with your phone. The laptop gives you more control. Okay, so whichever one that suits you, you can get in touch with us and take advantage of these courses and get started. These courses and get started. So I'm going to cut from here, split. Don't forget, you have to click on the video first, then you click on split. So I've just done that, then you continue and get started. So, and don't forget, we share tips to help. So I can cut from here again. Don't forget, you have to select first, okay? If you notice, once I click on the video at the bottom, where we could see what particular area we are in, once you click on it, you will now see the split option. Then you split. Then I'm going to delete this area. This is where there's mistake or nothing is being said there. So I click on delete. Okay, then I try to play to see if it aligns and get started. And don't forget, we share tips to help you grow your business online and Don't forget we share tips. Don't forget tips. Don't forget we share tips. So let's split from here. We'll select and split again. Get we share tips. Okay, so I'm going to cut this. So in a case whereby you overcut, you could do this. So once you select that area, you could extend it backwards. Then you play again. Don't forget we share tips. Let's try that again. Don't forget we share. Okay, let's do. And get started. Don't forget we share tips to help you grow your business online and run profitable Facebook and Instagram ads. Okay, so I'm going to split here. Don't forget we share tips to help you grow your business online. Do like this video and follow us for more. See you in the next one. Do like this. So I'm going to split here also and delete this area. Let's see how it sounds from here. And get started. Don't forget we share tips to help you grow your business online and run profitable Facebook and Instagram ads. Like this video and follow us. Okay, so let's extend it backward a bit. You could also do it both ways, back or forward if you want to cut. Like this video and follow us. Do like this video. Instagram ad. Do like this video and follow us for more. See you in the next one. Cheers. Okay. In the next one. Cheers. So I'm going to teach you another one. So you click here, then we move it backwards. You don't forget, you click and hold, then you move it backwards. All right. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. So I'm going to watch everything. Let's see how it looks like. So this is just a reminder that we have a mobile ads course if you want to start running ads with just your mobile phone. And we also have a laptop version or a desktop version so you can run profitable ads on Facebook and Instagram. Okay. So the mobile phone gives you the ease. You could just launch your ad campaign with your phone. The laptop gives you more control. Okay. So whichever one that suits you, you can get in touch with us and take advantage of these courses and get started. Don't forget we share tips to help you grow your business online and run profitable Facebook and Instagram ads. Do like this video and follow us for more. See you in the next one. Cheers. Okay, I can also even extend it. Okay, let me see. So this one. Cheers. All right. So next is the filter. So Edit has a very basic filter. Like you don't have to do much. So let's say I'm going to use something simple. Okay, so you see, these are some of their basic filters. So you look for the one you like more or most. So I prefer this simple. This is just a reminder that we have a mobile ads course if you want to start running ads with just a mobile phone. And we also have a laptop version or a desktop. So this is just a reminder that we have a mobile ads course if you want to start running ads with just your mobile phone. And we also have a laptop version or a desktop version. Okay, so perfect, right? So let me show you the difference. So you see how this one is coloring. You see how this one is. So it does little justice. This one, cheers. Okay, so for me, this is okay. Then so this is maybe just if you want to add a caption at the top. So you click on this back at the bottom left. Okay, then click on text. We're just doing basic things. You could also add captions if you want. But for this video, we are not adding caption. You can do that. All right. So make sure you play around with the tools, stay on the app and learn how to use it. So this is just an introductory video. Then we'll click on text. So I'm going to say profitable Facebook and Instagram ads. I'm just going to give it that caption. And Instagram ads. Okay, so that's it basically. Then we click on this A, see what we can do. Okay. So these are the different ones. We're going to select, let's use the white one. Let's see how we can tweak some things there. I like to use this yellow, this one. Let's see. Okay, this is good. So don't forget, let's click on A and let's see if we should see Monstero Black. Would most likely use that one. Now we just use anyone that feels cool. Okay, let's go back. Okay, we can just go for this one. Or let's just go for this one. All right, so that is all. We click on the center, then we hold and drag to the top. Profitable Facebook and Instagram ads. Let's leave it that way, so people know that we're talking about this. All right, we're basically done. So this is just a reminder that we have a mobile ads course if you want to start. We could also extend it if you want. Okay, let's stop there. So this is just a reminder that we have a mobile ad. So we can even export from here. So to export in 2K, just click on export at the top right corner. We are also going to explore other options. Let's see. Now you click on where you see 2K. So you can also export in 4K. Also increase the frame rate to 60. Okay, so let's cancel this one. We'll just leave it where it is. But we're going to export using 4K. 4K has better quality. So you hit the export button at the top right. So this is just a reminder. So you have to click on download. So allow full access. So I believe that is it. Finished downloading. Decide to post from here. So we click on Instagram. So it's going to post directly. Or you could, do the normal way. You can now save, okay? Click on got it. So I'm going to edit the cover. So basically have to allow it to load. So whenever it wastes this time, I just go back. We're just going to add a caption. So I will paste, I've already written one. Okay, today. Then I would like to add a collaborator, tag people. You basically know how to do this. So agency and Gright. Okay, so I'm going to tag Gright Agency, just one. Okay, click on the edit cover again. And let's see if this is ready for us. It's still loading. It's good. Add from camera roll. Okay, so another thing I could do, I could just click on add from camera roll. So you could look for any of your nice picture and use it. You understand, apart from this one. So I'm just going to select one picture that's looking so soft. All right, so let's assume I decide to use this one. Okay, so this is cool, right? So I can use this one. Then click on done. So I'm going to post now. Click on, I even prefer this one, I won't lie to you. Then click on share. So this is just a reminder that we have a moment that we have. So this is just a reminder that we have. So this is what it looks like. Pretty, right? So this is just a reminder that we have a mobile app. I'm going to show you how to accept invitation. This is just a bonus. So I'm going to switch to the particular account. Okay, so this is just a reminder that we have a mobile app. You can also see made with edits at the top. So you go to a notification, you're going to see it. Okay, so we're going to accept this collaboration. Click on review, then accept. So once we do this, it's going to show on our account. So you can see it, right? So that's all for this video. See you in the next one, and bye for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment.